Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the App Store on your Amazon Fire Stick. And you can do this multiple different ways. Now, just if you press the home button, and then you go to the left and you go to find, you can scroll on down and you can find the App Store located right here. And you can select this. Then at the top of the screen, you can see your app library, where you can see your installed or not installed applications that you have on your account. So if I go on down, you can see installed on this TV and then not installed. So if you deleted something and you want to find it really easy, you can go back to this section. It should display on the top here like this TDS TV Plus application. Then if I go on back, I can go to featured right here and see all the recommended apps on the Amazon App Store. Then I can go over to games. And the games on here are, they're okay. Then you can go on over to all categories and you can search by sports, transportation, novelty, magazines, etc. Otherwise, if you hold down the voice icon on your remote, you can easily search for your specific applications. Search for Hulu. And this actually works quite well if you don't want to type everything in under search. But here's the application, it popped right open. So try the search function. And here's search in general. So if you type something in, most of the time it's going to auto-populate for you if you want to find the application. Now another way that you can find the App Store is go on over to this little icon right next to setting, go on down, and here's the App Store right here. And you can select it under this section. Then you can go to it and press the button with the three lines on it. And you can go to move to front, and you can move it to the top bar here. Otherwise you can go down to my apps and you can find it under this list as well. So it moved back up to the top right here, and you should be able to find it under here. Then you can move it to front, and then you can move on your favorites menu right here. Let's put it on the back here, then go home, and you should be able to see it right here. So it should move once I update this, but go ahead and check this out. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.